Hello students, welcome to financial accounting class. In the previous class we were dealing with how the head office prepares the accounts when the goods are supplied for cash. Okay, so this was the first thing, that is the first type we have seen where the branch sells the goods supplied by the head office for cash. Today we'll be dealing with the second one where the branch sells the goods supplied by head office for cash as well as on credit. Okay, so these were the journal entries for the first one, that was when the goods are supplied for cash. Alright, today we'll be dealing with the goods which are supplied to the branch, okay, for cash as well as on credit. So let's begin with it. So here in this type, when the goods are being sold by the head of by the branch, then whatever cash they get, that has to be sent on daily basis to the head office. That is, whatever cash they have received by cash sales, this amount must be sent on daily basis to the head office. But here we also have credit. See, if there is cash, then you will have the cash being given to the head office on daily basis. But here we also have credit being given. So when the system of credit comes in, then the question of opening debtors and closing debtors arises. That is especially in terms of closing debtors. Okay, so if the closing debtors is not being given, if you don't know what is the amount of closing debtors, then the debtors account should be prepared to find out how much is the closing debtors. And therefore, to find out the closing debtors, because you don't know the debtors, you don't know the amount of debtors, then there will be the journal entries, additional journal entries which are being which you need to pass. So the journal entries are which are to be passed in the books of head office. So the journal entries are for adjustment of opening debtors, branch account debit to branch debtors account. Second one is for adjustment of closing debtors, branch debtors account debit to branch account. So these will be the additional journal entries which you need to pass in the books of head office, just because you don't know what is the opening as well as the closing amount of debtors. If it is cash, then you will pass the regular entries what I had told you in the previous class, because whatever amount of cash you get, you need to send this amount of cash, whatever cash sales you have done, all that amount has to be sent to the head office on regular basis. But suppose if there is credit being given, then the question arises of what is the amount of closing debtors. If you don't know the closing debtors, then you will prepare the debtors account, and to know the opening as well as closing debtors, you will pass the journal entry. So these are the two additional journal entries which you need to pass in the books of head office only when there is credit being given. Okay, so if there is cash as well as credit, then you have additional accounts being prepared. If it is only cash, then you will make only branch account, okay, which we have seen in the previous class. But if there is credit being given, then there will be additional accounts being open. Okay, these are the necessary accounts to be opened. So which accounts will you open? First is the branch account, second is the goods sent to branch account, third is the branch debtors account. Why do you prepare this branch debtors account? Basically to know the opening as well as closing debtors in case of credit sales and cash received from debtors. I hope you have understood why we prepare this account and why we pass these journal entries. Okay, when the goods are being given on credit, you will have to prepare different accounts. So which accounts will you prepare? If it is only cash, then you will prepare only branch account. Okay, but if it is cash as well as credit, then branch account, goods sent to branch, okay, and then debtors account. All right, I hope you have understood. Why do we make this? Why do we prepare this debtors account? Debtors account has been prepared to know what is the opening balance of debtors, closing balance of debtors, what is the amount of credit sales being done, how much is the cash received from debtors, and so on. Okay, so basically for this reason you prepare the branch debtors account. This will be the additional account that you will be making apart from these two. Okay, that is, if it is in case of cash, you will prepare these two accounts, branch account and goods sent to branch account. But if it is on credit, you will have another account being prepared, which is in terms of branch debtors account. All right, let's look into one problem so that you get to know the question quite well. Now here, from the following information relating to Gadak branch opened in 2018. Okay, so this is the information relating to Gadak branch which is opened in the year 2018. The branch prepare branch account, goods sent to branch account and branch debtors account in the books of head office. So they have asked you all the three accounts to be prepared, that is branch account, goods sent to branch account, branch debtors account. Okay, next, what they have given, goods sent to branch 20, they have given 2 years. Okay, that is, it was open in the year 2018 and they have also given you the record of 2019. So goods sent to branch 20,000 in the year 2018 and in the year 2019 it is 28,000. Next, cash sales 8,000 to 12,800. Credit sales 14,400 and 20,000. Cash received from debtors. Okay, so it is 12,800 and 16,000. Discount allowed 200, 600. Bad debts 200, 400. Cash sent to branch for expenses 2,800, 4,000. Next, stock on 31st December, this is nothing but the closing stock, 3,200, 5,600. Petty cash balance on 31st December, this is again the closing balance, 50 and 80. So with this information, you got to prepare the 4 accounts, that is branch account, goods sent to branch account, branch debtors account and branch debtors account. These are the accounts that you are supposed to prepare. All right, we will solve this question in the next class. Okay, thank you.